Hi friends, subscribe my channel and give minimum 1000 likes.
Top 10 Most Famous Endangered Species. 10th one, Giant Panda, Ailuropoda melanoleuca. The giant panda, also known as the panda bear or simply the panda, is a bear native to south central China. It is characterized by large black patches around its eyes, over the ears and across its round body. The name giant panda is sometimes used to distinguish it from the red panda or neighboring muscoloid. Though it belongs to the order Carnivora, the giant panda is a folivore with bamboo shoots and leaves making up more than 99% of its diet. Giant pandas in the wild will occasionally eat other grasses, wild tubers, or even meat in the form of birds, rodents, or carrion. The giant panda lives in a few mountain ranges in central China, mainly in Sichuan, but also in neighboring Shaanxi and Gansu. As a result of farming, deforestation, and other development, the giant panda has been driven out of the lowland areas where it once lived, and it is conservation-reliant vulnerable species. A 2007 report showed 239 pandas living in captivity inside China and another 27 outside the country. As of December 2014, 49 giant pandas lived in captivity outside China, living in 18 zoos in 13 different countries. Wild population estimates vary. One estimate showed that there are about 1,590 individuals living in the wild, while a 2006 study via DNA analysis estimated that this figure could be as high as 2,000 to 3,000. The giant panda is a terrestrial animal and primarily spends its life roaming and feeding in the bamboo forest of the Qinling Mountains and in the hilly province of Sichuan. Giant pandas are generally solitary. Each adult has a defined territory and a female is not tolerant of other females in her range. Social encounters occur primarily during the brief breeding season in which pandas in proximity to one another will gather. After mating, the male leaves the female alone to raise the cub. Pandas communicate through vocalization and scent marking such as cloven trees or spraying urine. They are able to climb and take shelter in hollow trees or rock crevices but do not establish permanent dens. For this reason, pandas do not hibernate, which is similar to other subtropical mammals, and will instead move to elevation with warmer temperatures. Pandas rely primarily on spatial memory rather than visual memory. Though the panda is often assumed to be docile, it has been known to attack humans presumably out of irritation rather than aggression. 9th one, Tiger, Panthera tigris. The tiger is the largest extant cat species and a member of the genus Panthera. It is most recognizable for its dark vertical stripes on orange-brown fur with a lighter underside. It is an apex predator, primarily preying deer and wild boar. It is territorial and generally a solitary but social predator requiring large contiguous areas of habitat which support its requirements for prey and rearing of its offspring. Tiger cubs stay with their mother for about 2 years before they become independent and leave their mother's home range to establish their own. The tiger once ranged widely from the eastern Anatolia region in the west to the Amur River basin and in the south from the foothills of the Himalayas to Bali in the Sunda Islands. Since the early 20th century, tiger populations have lost at least 93% of their historic range and have been extirpated in western and central Asia, from the island of Java and Bali, and in large areas of Southeast and South Asia and China. Today's tiger range is fragmented, stretching from Siberian temperate forests to the subtropical and tropical forests on the Indian subcontinent and Sumatra. The tiger is listed as endangered on the IUCN Red List. As of 2015, the global wild tiger population was estimated to number between 3,062 and 3,948 mature individuals, with the most remaining population occurring in small pockets isolated from each other. There are three color variants, white, golden and stripeless snow white, that now rarely occur in the wild due to the reduction of wild tiger population but continue in captive population. The white tiger has a white fur and sepia brown stripes. The golden tiger has a pale golden plate with a blunt tone and reddish brown stripes. The snow white tiger is a morph with extremely faint stripes and a pale reddish brown ringed tail. Both snow white and golden tigers are homozygous for Corin gene mutations. A black tiger is a color variant due to pseudomelanism. They have thick stripes close together so that the background color is barely visible between stripes. When not subject to human disturbance, the tiger is mainly diurnal. It does not often climb trees, but cases have been recorded. It is a strong swimmer and often baths in ponds, lakes and rivers, thus keeping cool in the heat of the day. Individuals can cross river up to 7 km wide and can swim up to 29 km in a day. The tiger is a long-ranging species and individuals disperse over distance of up to 650 km to reach tiger population in other areas. Adult tiger lead largely solitary lives. They establish and maintain territories but have much wider home ranges within which they roam. Resident adults of either sex generally confine their movements to their home ranges within which they satisfy their needs and those of their growing cubs. Individually sharing the same area are aware of each other's movements and activities. The size of the home range mainly depends on prey abundance, geographic area and sex of the individual. In India, home ranges appear to be 50 to 1000 square kilometer. Eighth one is whooping crane, Grus americana. The whooping crane, the tallest North American bird, is an endangered crane species named for its whooping sound. Along with the sandhill crane, it is one of only two crane species found in North America. The whooping crane's lifespan is estimated to be 20 to 24 years in the wild. After being pushed to the brink of extinction by unregulated hunting and loss of habitat to just 21 wild and 2 captive whooping cranes by 1941, conservation efforts have led to a limited recovery. The total number of cranes in the surviving migratory population plus 3 reintroduced flocks and in captivity now exceeds 800 birds. An adult whooping crane is white with a red crown and a long dark pointed bill. However, immature whooping cranes are cinnamon brown. While in flight, their long necks are kept straight and their long dark legs trail behind. Adult whooping cranes' black wing tips are visible during flight. Their calls are loud and can carry several kilometers. They express guard calls apparently to warn their partner about any potential danger. The crane pair will jointly call rhythmically unison call after waking in the early morning, after courtship and when defending their territory. The muskeg of the taiga in Wood Buffalo National Park, Northwest Territories, Canada and the surrounding area was the last remnant of the former nesting habitat of the whooping crane summer range. However, with the recent whooping crane Eastern Partnership reintroduction project, whooping crane nested naturally for the first time in 100 years in the Necedah National Wildlife Refuge in central Wisconsin, United States. They nest on the ground, usually on a raised area in a marsh. The female lays 1 or 2 eggs, usually in late April to mid-May. The blotchy olive-colored eggs average 2.5 inches in the breadth and 4 inches in length and weight about 190 grams. The incubation period is 29 to 31 days. Both parents brood the young, although the female is more likely to directly tend to the young. Usually no more than 1 young bird survives in a season. The parents often feed the young for 6 to 8 months after birth, and the terminus of the offspring-parent relationship occurs after about 1 year. Seventh one, blue whale, Balaenoptera musculus. The blue whale is a marine mammal belonging to the baleen whale suborder Mysticeti. Reaching a maximum confirmed length of 29.9 meters and weight of 173 tons, it is the largest animal known to have ever existed. The blue whale's long and slender body can be various shades of grayish blue dorsally and somewhat lighter underneath. The blue whale was once abundant in nearly all the oceans on Earth until the end of the 19th century. It was hunted almost to the point of extinction by whaling until the International Whaling Commission banned all hunting of blue whales in 1967. The International Whaling Commission catch database estimates that 382,595 blue whales were caught between 1868 and 1978. The global blue whale population abundance is estimated to be 10,000 to 25,000 blue whales, roughly 3 to 11% of the population size estimated in 1911. There may remain only much smaller concentration in Eastern North Pacific 1647, Central North Pacific 63 to 133, North Atlantic 1000 to 2000, Antarctic 2280, New Zealand 718, Northern Indian Ocean 270 and Chile 570 to 760. The most reliable age estimations are from ear plugs. Blue whales secrete earwax throughout their lives, forming long, multi-layered plugs. Each chronologically deposited light and dark layer indicate a switch between fasting during migration and feeding, and one set is laid down per year, and thus the number of these layers can be used as an indicator of age. The maximum age determined from earplug laminae for a pygmy whale is 73 years. Data from individual satellite tagged Eastern North Pacific blue whales suggest leisurely traveling rates of 4 knots or 4.6 miles per hour. The maximum speed of a blue whale while being chased or harassed has been reported at 20 to 48 km per hour. Sixth one, Asian elephant, Elephas maximus. The Asian elephant, also known as the Asiatic elephant, is the only living species of the genus Elephas and is distributed throughout the Indian subcontinent and Southeast Asia, from India in the west, Nepal in the north, Sumatra in the south, and to Borneo in the east. The Asian elephant is the largest living land animal in Asia. Since 1986, the Asian elephant has been listed as endangered on the IUCN Red List, as the population has declined by at least 50% over the last 3 elephant generations, which is about 60 to 75 years. It is primarily threatened by loss of habitat, habitat degradation, fragmentation, and poaching. In 2003, the wild population was estimated at between 41,410 and 52,345 individuals. Female captive elephants have lived beyond 60 years when kept in semi-natural surroundings such as forest camps. In zoos, Asian elephants die at a much younger age. Captive populations are declining due to a low birth and high death rate. On average, males are about 9 feet tall at the shoulder and 4.4 tons in weight, while females are smaller at about 7.9 feet at the shoulder and 3 tons in weight. Length of body and head including trunk is 5.5 to 6.5 meter. Asian elephants have a very large and highly developed neocortex, a trait also shared by humans, apes, and certain dolphin species. Result of studies indicate that Asian elephants have cognitive abilities for tool use and tool making similar to great apes. They exhibit a wide variety of behaviors, including those associated with grief, learning, allomothering, mimicry, play, altruism, use of tools, compassion, cooperation, self-awareness, memory, and language. Elephants are reported to head to safer ground during natural disasters like tsunamis and earthquakes. Several studies say that Asian elephants are highly intelligent and self-aware. Fifth one, sea otter, Enhydra lutris. The sea otter is a marine mammal native to the coast of the northern and eastern North Pacific Ocean. Adult sea otters typically weigh between 14 and 45 kg, making them the heaviest members of the weasel family, but among the smallest marine mammals. Unlike most marine mammals, the sea otter's primary form of insulation is an exceptionally thick coat of fur, the densest in the animal kingdom. Although it can walk on land, the sea otter is capable of living exclusively in the ocean. Sea otters, whose numbers were once estimated at 1,50,000 to 3 lakh, were hunted extensively for their fur between 1741 and 1911, and the world population fell to 1,000 to 2,000 individuals, living in a fraction of their historical range. Although each adult and independent juvenile forages alone, sea otters tend to rest together in a single sex group called raft. A raft typically contains 10 to 100 animals, with the male raft being larger than female ones. The largest raft ever seen contained over 2,000 sea otters. To keep from drifting out to sea when resting and eating, sea otters may wrap themselves in kelp. A male sea otter is most likely to mate if he maintains a breeding territory in an area that is also favored by females. As autumn is the peak breeding season in most areas, males typically defend their territory only from spring to autumn. Sea otters are a classic example of a keystone species. Their presence affects the ecosystem more profoundly than their size and numbers would suggest. They keep the population of certain seafloor herbivores. Fourth one, snow leopard, Panthera uncia. The snow leopard, also known as the ounce, is a large cat native to the mountain ranges of Central and South Asia. It is listed as vulnerable on the IUCN Red List because the global population is estimated to number less than 10,000 mature individuals and is expected to decline about 10% by 2040. It is threatened by poaching and habitat destruction following infrastructural developments. It inhabits alpine and subalpine zones at elevation from 3,000 to 4,000 meters, ranging from eastern Afghanistan and the Himalayas to southern Siberia, Mongolia and western China. In the northern range countries, it also lives at lower elevations. The snow leopard's fur is whitish to grey with black spots on head and neck, but larger rosettes on the back, flanks and bushy tail. The belly is whitish. Its eyes are pale green or grey in color. Its muzzle is short and its forehead domed. Its nasal cavities are large. The fur is thick with hairs between 5 and 12 cm long. The snow leopard's vocalization include mewing, grunting, preston and moaning. It can purr when exhaling. It cannot roar. The ability to roar is due to the other morphological features, especially of the larynx, which are absent in the snow leopard. The major threat to snow leopard population is poaching and illegal trade of skins and body parts. In China, 103 to 236 animals are poached every year. In Mongolia, between 34 and 53. In Pakistan, between 23 and 53. In India, from 21 to 45. And in Tajikistan, 20 to 25. Third one, gorilla. Gorilla berengay and gorilla. Gorillas are ground-dwelling, predominantly herbivorous apes that inhabit the forest of central sub-Saharan Africa. The genus Gorilla is divided into two species, the eastern gorillas and the western gorillas, and either 4 or 5 subspecies. They are the largest living primates. The DNA of gorillas is highly similar to that of humans, from 95 to 99% depending on what is included, and they are the next closest living relatives to human after the chimpanzees and bonobos. Gorillas live in group called troops. Troops tend to be made of one adult male or silverback, multiple adult females and their offspring. However, multiple male troops also exist. A silverback is typically more than 12 years of age and is named for the distinctive patch of silver hair on his back which comes with maturity. Silverbacks also have large canine teeth that also come with maturity. Both males and females tend to immigrate from their natal groups. For mountain gorillas, females disperse from their natal troops more than males. A gorilla's lifespan is normally between 35 and 40 years, although zoo gorillas may live for 50 years or more. All species of gorilla are listed as endangered or critically endangered on the IUCN Red List. Now over 1 lakh western lowland gorillas are thought to exist in the wild with 4,000 in zoos thanks to conservation. Eastern lowland gorillas have a population of under 5,000 in the wild and 24 in zoos. Mountain gorillas are the most severely endangered with an estimated population of about 880 left in the wild and none in zoos. Threats to gorilla survival include habitat destruction and poaching for the bushmeat trade. Second one, Tasmanian devil Sarcophilus harrisi. The Tasmanian devil was once native to mainland Australia and is now found in the wild only in the island state of Tasmania. Size of a small dog, the Tasmanian devil became the largest carnivorous marsupial in the world following the extinction of the thylacine in 1936. It is characterized by its stocky and muscular build, black fur, pungent odor, extremely loud and disturbing screech, keen sense of smell, and ferocity when feeding. The Tasmanian devil's large head and neck allow it to generate among the strongest bites per unit body mass of any extant predatory land mammals. Although devils are usually solitary, they sometimes eat together and defecate in a communal location. Despite its rotten appearance, it is capable of surprising speed and endurance and can climb trees and swim across rivers. Devils are not monogamous. Males fight one another for females and guard their partners to prevent female infidelity. Females can ovulate 3 times in as many weeks during the mating season, and 80% of 2-year-old females are seen to be pregnant during the annual mating season. The Tasmanian devil's population has been calculated in 2008 by Tasmania's Department of Primary Industries and Water as being in the range of 10,000 to 1 lakh individuals, with 20,000 to 50,000 mature individuals being likely. Experts estimate that the devil has suffered a more than 80% decline in its population since the mid-1990s, and that only around 10,000 to 50,000 remain in the wild as of 2008. Number 1. Orangutan, Pongo pygmaeus. The orangutans are great apes native to Indonesia and Malaysia. They are found in the rainforest of Borneo and Sumatra, but during the Pleistocene they ranged throughout Southeast Asia and South China. Classified in the genus Pongo, orangutans were originally considered to be one species. From 1996, they were divided into 2 species, the Bornean orangutan and the Sumatran orangutan. In 2017, it was reported that a 3rd species had been identified, the Tapanuli orangutan. The orangutans are the only surviving species of the subfamily Ponginae, who split from humans, chimpanzees and gorillas 19.3 to 15.7 million years ago. Orangutans are the most arboreal of the great apes and spend most of their times in trees. They have proportionally long arms and short legs, and their hair is reddish brown. Adult males may develop distinctive cheek pads or flanks and make long calls that attract females and intimidate rivals. Younger males do not and resembles adult females. Orangutans are the most solitary of the great apes, with social bonds occurring primarily between mothers and their dependent offspring, who remain together for the first 2 years. Fruit is the most important component of an orangutan's diet. However, the apes will also eat vegetation, bark, honey, insect and bird eggs. They can live over 30 years both in the wild and in captivity. All 3 species are critically endangered according to the IUCN Red List of mammals. They are legally protected from capture, harm or killing in both Malaysia and Indonesia. Estimates between 2000 and 2003 found 7,300 Sumatran orangutans and between 45,000 and 69,000 Bornean orangutans remain in the wild. A 2016 study estimates a population of 14,613 Sumatran orangutans in the wild, doubling previous population estimates. Fewer than 800 Tapanuli orangutan are estimated to still exist, which puts the species among the most endangered of the great apes.